Oh, there it is. Alright, so this is gonna be a larger thing. The stream. W. Alright. Speaking of you, Doge, you're invited to the studio this time, so you can hop in and see what I'm doing. I know you might need some stuff for your game, so this might actually be a helping experience. Yeah, you can hop on. Okay, so basically we have to completely restart the entire system here. A little unfortunate. Maybe I should have actually announced that the stream was going to happen. This is just more of a surprise stream, you know. Now then, let's just start getting to it, I guess. So basically, we have this gun here from that same gun kit from before, but this time I actually tried to use a pistol. I created a whole new module actually myself a while ago since I was just I was bored and stuff, so I made a module called Input Service, which could definitely help. Okay, so basically, I don't really care, bro. I made a public module actually. I posted that in Smarty's server. Well, Caleb actually posted it for me since I couldn't do it myself. Okay, so we have to let's just move this out the way, I guess. Let's make this little fake camera here invisible. So there's not a problem. Team chat. Oh, wait, yeah. Forgot about that. So let's put that there. Anyways, let's see how this will work. So before, I'm pretty sure you kept setting the humanoid root parts C frame to the normal humanoid root part C frame, like your actual characters. Um, well, actually, did I set up the gun completely? I'm pretty sure I did. Outside the annoying part where where it wasn't staying together, like the mag wasn't staying on properly. So I'll just have to weld it for now, which is a little inconvenient. Also, I need a folder called animations. Well, actually, it's not going to be a folder. It's actually going to set the settings. He actually did a folder in his system, so. So we're also going to have an attachment called muzzle, as I did in the original system. So of course that's kind of necessary, unless I use like a part, but that's a little odd. So we're going to have muzzle. So I made a part. Well, okay. Well, I made the little. Well, I didn't make it. I just found it. But I have a view model here. Okay, so I guess we can start making some of this. Okay, this looks interesting. Well, let's start using input service, the one that I made. Because I know the velocity ones are a little outdated, and I thought mine would be a little better because I actually used to open this, and it's a little more convenient. So I guess we'll just have this here, and we'll have. All right. So let's start referencing our services here. Get replicated storage. I guess we can technically pull input service. Oh, okay. I'm not going to put that there. Actually, I'm going to have those references. And then basically we put down our modules folder here. And we'll also have input service module. And we have keys, which would be this. Hello, TTVU. What's good, man? Okay, so basically we put our keys. We do 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, which is what he did in his, I'm pretty sure. So let's first try to test out our system here with the input service. So for key name and pairs keys. We do input service. Actually, local key handler equals input service dot track input. Then we do enum.keycode, and then we do inside brackets key name. That should be it actually. And then you just do key handler.input began and connect function print hello. And also we would not try to use function here, I'm pretty sure. We could just use a separate function outside so it conserves memory. So basically you put 1, 2, and 3 keyboard. You can see that's printing hello each time I press one of the keys. Whoops, I thought I ended the game. Alright, so that's clearly working. So just like before, well actually let's make a function outside. So let's do local function key pressed. Right now it's not gonna have anything in. You have to make the actual framework module. Oh, okay, I butchered that right there. We have services, replicate storage, then we reference modules. Also, we'll have to get input service once again. I think that would be pretty useful. Do local framework, table, turn that. Okay, so I hope Rocky actually comes back to the stream so he can critique my little system here, since this is my 4th time. Although I guess before we didn't really learn anything much. I mean, I guess I actually did kind of learn something because I kind of when I used it, I didn't just copy and paste it. Well, I did, but it doesn't count. That doesn't count. I still read the code. Okay, so I learned how to make the magazine. What do you mean? Like, are you talking about like the gun magazine here? Like, it was supposed to be connected by the Motor 6D, but it's like it keeps making the weapon room move to where the magazine is instead. Like then like it's being welded or something where it's like stuck in place. Also, yeah, I know you get the Dying Winter one, so. Okay, well, if anyone actually does want to use the input service module, I guess that'll be explained. Oh, I guess I'll explain it. All right. So I'll actually link it in chat as well because I should still have that. Well, actually, I don't even have it copied. I think I copied some object inside the actual game. So development items, then we have input service. And we can go grab that real quick. So basically what input service does, it gives you more, it gives you easier access to using user input service. Like with track input, you can put in whatever key you want on the keyboard, and basically you can use that to like attach to input begin and input end without having to like do the whole all the coding stuff here. And it's kind of convenient because like when you have to hold down a key, I think it's still there still might be a problem because like even if you I don't think there's a way to easily do that. I was saying to like hold start, hold ended or something. That's still not that still doesn't seem very like it still would work. Like there's ways to I guess it's just easier. Like it's really not gonna make too much of a difference. Like you can see here that was very, very simple just to do this one here, and I could just do connect key press. And look how short that is. That is literally like that is like 3 lines. And you don't even have to space this out if you want to. Like that's all it is. Well, I mean you also have to connect a function. Of course the function has to have stuff in it, but if you just had nothing inside the function, then that's basically all you need. There's also input ended. And there's a bunch of other stuff that comes with input service. Like you could also do input service dot or is holding by using a colon, and then you could put in any enum you want, and it checks they're actually actively holding the key. I'm pretty sure that should work. I didn't do too much testing on this one, so if there is actually a problem, then that'll be nice. So let's actually just do that right now. So like enum.keycode dot mouse, no, not mouse, a. So we just like wait like 3 seconds and we just check if the player is actually pressing A. Oh, that's Dojo script. I was like, what happened? But okay. Well, that I didn't really see any. I didn't see anything happen there. Oh, it's because I didn't even print if they were holding it. It just it just was doing that. It says that was true. So what if I just don't do it this time? It says nil. So instead of it doing nil, I mean, I probably should just do, again, my script, I probably should just do or false. Well, I'm pretty sure if I did or false, I'm pretty sure like if the original statement is false or nil, it will do or, and then it says false again. So does that even okay? It probably does work. Maybe I'm just overthinking that. Anyways, back to the framework. So I was just on a yap session right there. My goodness. Uh, so module, and then we have the framework. You do function framework dot setup or something. You know, I don't really know. So we'll have weapon name or something. Yeah, just do weapon name. Well, you didn't have to work on anything. All you had to do is just be here. And you didn't even have to be here either. But it's just if you want to like see what I do with my system, because it might actually help you with your game. I know you were wanting me to help, so. So I have a folder called weapons. We put the 5.7 in there. You know, it's called the FN 5.7, so I don't know. I guess I'll just see. So FN 5.7. Also reference the weapons folder. Replicate sword group child weapons, and then we'll do. Since I key pressed, we probably should just do. Ooh, okay. So we don't really return anything. Wait. Can I just? I'm pretty sure I can just do this. Like, posted. We're gonna need I for this, so key num, and we'll do key num, and I'll try to print key num and see what happens because functions are a little interesting. So, okay, yeah, that query does not like me. So, functions are a little annoying. Like, come on, bro. So it's like connect function, and then we'll wrap key pressed inside that function, which is very annoying that I have to do this. So if I print key num, it should actually print it now. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Petition to ban this guy. Alright, so let's go back to the client. And it's like key press, now we actually have the key num, so we can do local framework, require modules, framework. So framework got set up, and then we put in the weapon name, which would be weapons key num dot name. Let's put so oh, I meant to do get children one, not just directly put num. Oh god. Daisy making your game. Oh yeah, your game. I haven't even seen that in a while. Yeah, Doge's with there. He's in there with me. He's doing the. He's like watching me do this, I guess. Real time. So we do have framework set up. Now you do weapons get children keynum.name. So now in framework, we should have the weapon name. I mean, I guess instead of set, we could do like equip. So really, would that make it? Okay, whatever. Do you have equip? Uh, I guess this should be a colon instead. So like if self not equipped, then self unequip and how's AQ3 going? It is going great, man. So let's reference the weapons and big storage. Let me get the weapon itself. Weapons, wait for child. Well, I don't have to wait for child. Weapons, find for child, weapon name, load. Let's also create a view model. We need the view model for this whole system to even work. I also throw that to replicated storage because we need to store that somewhere. So replicated storage view model, and then clone. Okay, so now we want to have the camera set. Then we also have the character. Let's also reference players since we're gonna need the character as well. Oops, players. Bro, personally, I don't really hear the I don't hear the 20-year-old man that you somehow hear. I don't know, maybe I sound different to myself. Okay, so let's get the player from players and do player.character. I don't know how you guys can hear that from me, so. So we set the view model, the root of the view model, which I forgot what I named it. Just humanoid root part, yeah. Dot humanoid root part, and then dot C frame equals C frame dot new. Okay, I really don't sound that great on YouTube videos, man. I'm still taking reference from that one post. It's still could be highly useful for me, so. self.viewmodel.root part.weapon.part one. So weapon was the I think that was supposed to be inside the root of the view model, and then it was a motor 6D, and that motor 6D was just called weapon. Okay, weapon. We set part 0 to name the group part, I believe. Alright, so the view model root part of weapon of part 1 equals self.view model of weapon of root part. So what is weapon root part? What do you set that as? Alright. What is weapon root part? Yeah, sure. Man, what did he put as weapon root part? I am very confused right now. Maybe it was something he created beforehand that I missed. Okay, now I'm just being completely optimistic here. I rate that as 7 out of 10. Alright. What the heck, man? This isn't funny. He's actually just intentionally trying to hide whatever weapon root bar it is from me. Bro, what did I put before for this to actually work? Like, am I just stupid, bro? Like, what am I doing here? I don't have to be stupid. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Like, what in the world, bro? Mateen, you sent me nothing new, bro. Self.viewmodel.rootport.weapon.part1 equals self.viewmodel.weapon.rootport. I am, like, I think I'm really stupid. Okay, so I am just gonna have to add a. Actually, that should just be part of the weapon itself. Like, come on, bro. Okay, whatever. So, self.viewModel humanoid root part weapon part one equals weapon dot what did I put that as, bro? And it doesn't even tell me. So I put that as weapon root. Okay, so where did I do I have to parent this weapon anywhere? Like what? V.parent equals self.viewModel. Oh my gosh, that's why. It's all separate parts. Oh my goodness, bro. He did actually parent it. So weapon.parent equals self.viewModel, I guess, down here. So now we have weapon.weapon root self.viewModel.humanoid root part left arm part 0 equals weapon.weapon root. Okay, so then I'll set that to the right arm as well. I set the parent of the view model to the camera. So I do like just self dot no. Because self dot camera is current camera, so I can't do that. So I do self dot equipped equals true. So in the actual script here, we're also going to add a run service because that's pretty necessary when doing this because you actually do need a render stepped or heartbeat, but I'd rather do render stepped. Also, yeah, okay, well, I'm not like talking to myself. I mean, I'm on stream, bro. I mean, I don't know if I just stop talking, there's literally just gonna be complete silence. So I had to fill that empty void, man. So run service.render step connect function, and then we do framework dots. Well, we can't. We don't even have update yet. So I mean, yeah, I also might speak to myself while coding, but that's for a different day, man. We don't talk about that. And to be fair, when you're typing out something, I think you sometimes might talk to yourself, bro. I don't know why, but probably some form of validation for yourself. So we do weapon roots. Actually, what am I doing? I probably should just rename that at that point. Rename the weapon to just weapon name equals just weapon. So actually, you can just directly reference like dot weapon equals, well, not equals, dot weapon root. But this time I actually need the humanoid root part. C frame equals self.camera. Let's see. I'm probably gonna end up blurping this in the future, which is actually pretty nice. So we also need removing or unequipping framework unequip. And then we have the weapon name. Actually, we don't even need the weapon name for either. I just need to reference self. We do if self.view model, and then we can start removing. So self.view model destroy. Self.view model equals nil. Self.equip false. So now we actually should be able to equip and unequip maybe. I need to do framework.update. And then we also need delta time, not dot update. So basically we need to just put DT. So we do update and then we put DT. And type frame yes, we need to also put DT. It's not a One Piece game, bro. There's nothing. If you look at the description of the game, it literally says it's just like an unfinished thing, and it is not what AQ3 is supposed to become yet. And dropping out only One Piece game already sucks as an idea, anyways. Like, that's just extremely lame. Well, I'm not going to release any details about it yet, so. Wait, why did I put this? That's why it broke. Bro, what was it? What was supposed to be there? I think that was supposed to be dot parent. So the parent is the camera, that's why. Oops. Okay, now we're back to this again, where we have this beautiful setup here. Okay, now we have something. We actually need the idle offset. So local offsets, and we have all the offsets listed here. So we have idle, which would be a cframe.new. So I'll actually just take his code for the offset thing. So framework, and then whatever we put here. So let's just take this directly, but then we just have to obviously change this. So this becomes that. Actually, I need to print out this C frame so that I can just put that into my offset module. What a really nice offset. So we can also store all of the offsets into a module, or not module, into a self thing. So offsets equals require, and then self.viewModel offsets. Actually, it's not even inside the view model, it's inside the actual weapon itself. Oops. So we just do weapon.offsets. Now we remove this parts. We also do view model, humanoid, oops, humanoid root part. And use self.camera. So we do offsets, self.offsets, idle. Yeah. Yeah. What in the world? Alright, so let's try to fix that. I don't know why that happened, actually. So I'm pretty sure it's because all that stupid math.py stuff, he keeps breaking my arm like that, which is really annoying. Okay, so let's go up and actually remove the math.py part of this. So actually just make that just the 0.005, which might fix it, because that whole math.py thing is why it keeps rotating like that. The campfire animation thing. And then might actually fix the whole offset thing. Okay, well the pistol is still in an interesting position there. I don't think that's where it's supposed to be. Um, how do I even put the gun in the right spot? Because actually just duplicate the view model, bring it out here, and then also take out the pistol, bring it out here. And let's put the pistol into here. Then let's take the arms here. Okay, let's attach it to weapon. I really don't think that's right. So, of course, you're able to go in with your right arm. Well, most people do. Let's also rotate that using C0. Now it's actually facing the correct direction, but it's still not right. Now you also set the position of it using the x-axis. I believe so. Yep, okay. So now we keep moving that out. We're almost there. Alright, so now we also bring that upwards using the y-axis. Okay, so that might actually work now. So let's go back to the view model and change humanoid root part, weapon, position, and orientation. Okay, what in the world? Man, this is annoying. Okay. So I'm assuming I'll just comment these out. So, okay. Yeah, that still is horrible. So you go into here again. Dude, this is... Come on, bro. Hello, Venus. So is this just part of the process or what? Like, I really don't know what's happening. Yeah, I do. Just remove the positions, remove the orientation. But why is the pistol's way down there, dude? Like, um, okay, what does he put for his? So he sets all these part ones and part zeros. But the pistol itself is still like completely off. How did he get his right? Bruh, this is annoying. So I can go and check in here, and that does not doesn't explain to me here. Like, what did I do wrong? Like a part named root part. Group and add blank number 6Ts for both of the arms. One name left, second name right. Is there even it? Oh yeah, there's an animation controller there. Um, Bruh. There's nowhere it explains if this happens to you. I have to go into like the comments probably. Because that is bad, bro. Um, okay. Well, I mean, I clearly don't get that much views on making these development streams. Well, it's fine. I mean, that's not really the point. I just do this for, I guess, fun. I don't even know who's watching right now outside Doge, but um, I'm still gonna make these no matter what. I mean, okay, I didn't even see this over here. I guess I'll probably just end stream. I'll just have to do this all off of stream. So, uh, I guess thanks for watching, and I'll still be here with you, Doge. So you can still just watch what I do while I'm still here.